I'm going to show you how you can tell if your tires are genuinely brand new and not regrooved. First thing you'll notice right here, you see the little wear marks. When your tread gets down to these marks, then it's time to change your tires. Regrooved tires won't have these because when they run the stupid tool through here, it basically just melts the rubber and it cuts it like butter, and these bumps will get removed. And also you can see right here, there's a little bit of rubber sticking up from the manufacturing process. That's obviously not going to be there as well on a regrooved tire, because this is going to get worn off pretty quickly once these tires are installed. You can also see here on the treads there's these little marks in there. Those won't be there either because they're not very deep, so once the tread gets worn down a little bit, these will be gone. Not sure if every tire has them. There's some there. This is a Goodyear tire. They actually might do that on purpose so that you can tell if they were regrooved or not. Another thing you want to look for is the date code on the tire. As you can see right here, it says 10/17. As far as I know, the 10 means the 10th week of 2017. And it's 2018 now, so these tires are not very old. So, if the tires you got said something like 2015 or 2016, then it would be kind of weird that a tire would be sitting around for a couple years before it was sold. Go around the tire and look to see if it says that it's regroovable. But it is a stupid idea to regroove your tires. It's better to just spend the extra money and be safe, because money can always be replaced, but a life cannot be replaced. When they regroove the tires, the rubber that goes from here to the inside where the air is gets thinner, and if you go over a rock or something, it can puncture the tire and you'll have a blowout. Do not want to have a blowout, especially if you're on the highway going pretty fast. So you can see too, inside this tire it has some words in there too. It's probably another feature, because obviously when they regroove it, they're going to have to take that out to make it deeper, to make the treads look deeper. There's no way around that, so they're going to have to take that out. So if you don't see any words in there either, then you know too. And then there's another mark there, wear mark, and this rubber again. And you got all these little indentations, and I'm pretty sure they're there on purpose to help people know whether or not it's been regrooved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And this video, it's very important, especially if you know somebody that likes to buy used tires. Make sure that you show them this video.